Installing the Doomzday Kodi Build is a breeze, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, launch Kodi and head to the Settings menu. From there, select File Manager, then click on Add Source. Enter the URL for the Doomzday repository. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any hiccups. Once that's done, return to the main menu and click on Add-ons. Now, hit the open box icon at the top, choose Install from zip file, and locate the source you just added. After that, select the repository and install it. Once it's installed, go back to the Add-ons menu, click on Install from repository, find the Doomzday repo, and select Program Add-ons. Here, you'll see the Doomzday wizard, install that. Finally, open the wizard, choose the Doomzday build, and let it download. Once it's done, restart Kodi, and you're all set to enjoy a fantastic viewing experience with the Doomzday build.